my name is Parvinder from P&P Tutorials and you are watching the P&P Tutorials channel, and in this tutorial I am going to tell you that how you can install the Linset tool into your Kali Linux 2.0, Kali Linux 2016.1, Kali Linux 2016.2. So here I'm using the Kali Linux 2.0 onto my laptop. So this is going to be the third video on hacking of WPA and WPA2 Wi Fi routers. In the previous two videos I have told you about the Fluxion tool and the Wi-Fi Fisher tool. Actually the Fluxion tool is quite same as the Linset tool. So in this video I will only tell you that how you can install the Linset tool into your Kali Linux, and rest of the things are same as the Fluxion tool. So let's open up our browser, and these are the three repositories given in here. And the original creator of the Fluxion tool is the VK496, and the original version of the Linset tool is in the Spanish language. So if you need the Linset tool in the Spanish language, then you can simply clone this repository, or if you need the Linset version for Kali Linux 2.0 in English language, then you can simply clone this particular repository. Okay, or if you need the Linset tool for the Kali Linux 2.0, Kali Linux 2016.1 and Kali Linux 2016.2, then you need to simply clone this repository. Okay, so these are the three different versions of Linset. Since I am having the Kali Linux 2.0, so I will simply clone this particular version of Linset. Okay, so let me just copy this Git repository, and all the repositories links are given in the description area with the corresponding version and the language package. So I'll simply type in here git clone and paste the repository. Now this version is for the Kali Linux 2.0. Now it will gonna take some time. Do the ls here. Now the Linset directory will be created onto the root directory, and they can see guys, get into this directory. Do the ls here. Now the two files are present into the Linset directory. Now what you need to do is you need to simply type in here chmod +x. Now you need to give the execute permission to both of the files. First one is the airmon and second one is the Linset. So I will make the use of command called chmod +x, that is change mode to the execution mode, and do the ls here. Now the both files color has been green, it means they have been given the execute permission. Now I will simply type in here Linset to check if my tool is working or not. And alright guys, so now they can see guys, my tool is working, and rest of the things are like the Fluxion tool. So I would recommend you to watch that particular video because the Linset tool is quite same as the Fluxion tool. Now I will tell you that how you can install Linset tool into your Kali Linux 2016.1 or Kali Linux 2016.2. Okay, so this version for the Kali Linux 2016.1 and Kali Linux 2016.2, and this is the English language version. Okay, now I'll simply hit enter, and now it will gonna clone the data into this particular directory. Okay, now do the ls here, and now another directory has been created, and that directory is Linset MV. Press the tab key, hit enter, do the ls here, clear off the screen, do the ls again. And now guys, we have two files here. First one is the airmon and second one is the Linset mv1-2.sh. Now we need to give the execute permission to both of the files. So for that I am going to make the use of chmod +x, airmon and Linset 1-2.sh. Now hit enter. Now they can see Linset is not a directory. Okay, so I just forget to put the MV here. Hit enter. Now the execute permission has been given to the both of the files. They can see the green color as well. Now let me run this particular file, that is Linset mv.sh. Copy the name of the file, use the dot and / and paste the name of the file and hit enter. And now we will gonna see if it will gonna work into our Kali Linux or not. Okay guys, so they can see select the Wi-Fi device interface to employ. Okay, this is how we can install the Linset tool in Kali Linux 2.0 and the second version on the Kali Linux 2016.2 or in the Kali Linux 2016.1 as well. So rest of the things are quite same as the Fluxion tool. So if you haven't watched that particular video, I will also give you the link in the description area so that you can easily click on that link and watch that particular video which was on the Fluxion tool. So I hope you guys like this short video. So if you guys like this short video, then give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.